Hallo, mein Name ist Thomas Form. Es freut mich, dass Sie auf eine Tasse Kaffee vorbeischauen. Ja, es freut mich, heute Antivaris von der Firma Roima in unserem Showroom in Düsseldorf zu begrüßen. Die Firma Roima hat unsere Systemintegratoren schon bei diversen MES-Projekten unterstützt. Und Roima möchte auch ihr Know-how, ihr Projektwissen weiteren Kunden in Deutschland zur Verfügung stellen. Welcome Antti, great to have you here for a cup of coffee. Can you tell me a little bit more about you and Roima?
And danke schön, Tom. I'm very happy to be here today. I'm Antivaris. I am leading one of 3 business areas in Roima Intelligence. I have over 15 years of experience in areas of SCADA and MES, and out of that over 10 years working with Aveva. Roima Intelligence is a company specialized in digitalization. Yes, Roima Intelligence is empowering the customers to create sustainable results in their businesses. We aim to be a Europe-wide specialist with both completeness of vision and ability to execute in supply chain planning and automation, smart factory, in product lifecycle management and operations management. Our Aviva offering belongs to process industries, and during this time we have gained the position of Aveva endorsed system integrator. We are one of the founding members for the model-driven MES, and we are also a premier Ecosystemtag partner.
Antti, you mentioned that you bring sustainability in customer solution, but what is the biggest value you bring on the table?
I think our biggest value is improving the productivity of our customers. We have plenty of experts in their industries. Those are the customer industries that we have, that can guide our customers to make right plans, right decisions, and select the right technologies that are the best of breed for their needs and requirements. Furthermore, when going to the SCADA and MES, we are able to leverage the normal SCADA solutions to MES, to kind of data collection infrastructure with OSIsoft, and also bring the Aviva cloud services on top of that. We also have our own products that nicely complete the whole vision of the Aviva, bringing in warehouse management. We have advanced planning and scheduling solution, and also we are able to contribute the recipe management that is especially important in food and beverage industries. What I like especially much is that this full package enables our experts to go to the customer, plan together how the customer can do continuous improvement in their operations, and then apply the best technological solutions to support that continuous improvement. That will then be visible in quality, productivity, or other important operation areas.
So what are the typical questions you get from customers?
That is a very good question. On that level already, everything we do with digitalization to improving the customer operations. So we especially like challenges where the customer has clear operational targets to improve their manufacturing operations, their quality, their productivity. They are clear linked to the business goals, and then we are able to go help them improving those areas, and then bring digital tools as one asset there, one mean how to do that, in addition to actually harmonizing, standardizing the processes, how the customer is working. The harmonization and standardization of ways of working brings especially good results in a multi-site environment where the customer can define together with our experts the best ways of working and apply them across multiple sites.
Okay, Antti, I understand. Do you have some customer examples?
Yes, we are working currently with multiple multi-site MES projects within food and beverage industry. The customer value driver for the MES is especially the quality. They aim to be the highest quality producer in their own food and beverage industry. The MES system that we are implementing is kind of two-folded way enabling the high quality. Firstly, there's the quality measurement that enables the customer to see transparently that what kind of quality results they are having from the manufacturing. While they are monitoring the quality, they can adjust the control points, the KPIs, adjust the parameters in a way that if there starts to be deviations from some control point, they are able to address that control point better to gain more visibility and take actions towards that. So it's a continuous feedback loop, but also driving immediate actions to improve the quality. The other very important point, which is maybe even more specific to that customer, is actually first time right and lean methodology that the MES system is driving. That means that the system is fully aware of what is the production point, production station, what products we are driving, and what are all the kind of environmental variables. Based on that information, it guides the operator step by step to produce first time right high quality. That means advising which ingredients to input in which order, measuring each ingredient separately and giving feedback to a shop floor operator that they are maintaining the quality high and within the set limits.
Yeah, Antti, I mentioned in the beginning of the interview that you have worked with many German system integrators in different MES projects, but how will be the collaboration in the future with our ecosystem?
Great question, Tom. First, I need to mention that I really enjoy working with the DACH region ecosystem. I think it's a great group of companies working together, and we have been involved in multiple projects and also sales opportunities. What we look forward for is even increasing that collaboration with the DACH region ecosystem, investing more in this region. We think that we are able to provide value, especially in the MES, Aviva Connect and in OSI-Soft parts.
Ja, Antti, vielen Dank. Ich denke, es war ein kurzer Einblick in die Sache, die Roima reinbringen kann in unser Ökosystem. Wenn Sie weitere Informationen haben wollen, sprechen Sie mich an oder direkt die Firma Roima. Die Kontaktdaten wie immer am Ende dieses Videos. So, mein Kaffee ist leer. Wenn Sie weitere Themen haben, die wir bei einer Tasse Kaffee besprechen sollten, sprechen Sie mich an. Hier meine Kontaktdaten. Vielen Dank.